In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Discord in Game Overlay. If you've ever had Discord's pop-ups or the voice panel covering parts of your screen in the middle of a match, turning off the in-game overlay is the quickest fix. The overlay is a small interface that shows who's talking, new messages, and some quick controls while you're playing. It can be useful, but if you prefer a clean screen, here's how to disable it in just a few clicks. Start by opening Discord on your computer. Down in the bottom left corner of the app, next to your avatar, you'll see a small gear icon. That's User Settings. Click that gear to open your settings panel. This is where you control your account, notifications, and, in our case, Overlay Preferences. On the left sidebar of the settings window, look for the section labeled Game Overlay. You may see it under Activity Settings, depending on your version and theme. If you don't spot it immediately, scroll a little. There are quite a few categories in that list. Click Game Overlay to open the overlay options. At the top of this page, you'll see a switch for Enable In-Game Overlay. Click the switch to turn it off. When it's disabled, the switch will look inactive and the overlay-specific options below will be grayed out. That's it. Discord's in-game overlay is now turned off and it won't appear over your games. If you're wondering what changes to expect, once the overlay is disabled, you won't see the heads-up display in the corners, the push-to-talk indicator inside your games, or quick message previews. This can also help if your screen recorder or streaming software was picking up the overlay in your captures, since turning it off removes that layer entirely. A couple of quick notes to keep everything clear. Disabling this switch applies globally, which means it turns the overlay off for all games you launch from now on. If you ever decide you want the overlay back, just return to the same game overlay page and flip the switch on again. Also, keep in mind that the overlay feature is designed primarily for desktop gaming, so you'll only see these options on the desktop app. After turning it off, you can play without pop-ups, voice panels, or message previews taking up screen space. You'll still receive your notifications inside Discord, they just won't appear on top of your game. If you rely on Discord for voice chat, everything will still work normally in the background. You simply won't see the overlay window, and that's all you need to do. Click the gear, go to Game Overlay, and switch it off. Enjoy a distraction-free gaming session.